Good morning, students. Happy Independence Day to all. In previous class, I explained Bohr's atomic model, valency, and elements from 1 to 18. Okay. Now, all of you draw this table. Okay. In this table, okay, the maximum number of electrons. What is the formula for maximum number of electrons? 2n square. Here, n represents shell number. Okay. Now, n is equal to 1 represents K shell, n is equal to 2 represents L shell, n is equal to 3 represents M shell, n is equal to 4 represents N shell. Okay. Now, the maximum number of electrons of K shell is 2. Okay. The maximum number of electrons of L shell is 8. The maximum number of electrons in M shell is 18. The maximum number of electrons in N shell is equal to 32. Okay, first all of you draw this table. Okay, students. Okay, students. Now I explain about distribution of electrons in different orbits or shells. Okay, students. Now I explain about distribution of electrons in different orbits or shells. Okay. So already I explained what is the nucleus. So nucleus means simply the center of the atom. Simply the center of the atom is called nucleus. It is nucleus. Okay. So the center of the atom is called nucleus. So nucleus means the number of the protons and number of the neutrons. Okay. So here it is called nucleus. Here protons and the neutrons. Okay. But electrons are revolving around the nucleus in specific orbits. Okay. Specific orbits. So K shell, L shell, M shell and N shell. Those are called orbits. Okay. Now take first element, hydrogen. So hydrogen atomic number 1. So hydrogen has only one electron. It has one electron. So hydrogen, first take example hydrogen. So hydrogen has one electron. So this electron enter into K orbit. So first orbit is K orbit. So first electron enter into K orbital. Clear? So now take second element, helium. Okay? Helium atomic number 2. So number of electrons in helium at atom 2. So 2 electrons enter into K orbit. So first electron and second electron. But okay, K shell maximum number of electrons 2. So 2 electrons. Now take third element. So what is the third element? Lithium. So what is the atomic number of lithium? 3. So number of electrons in lithium 3 electrons. So first 2 electrons enter into K orbital. Okay. But K orbital has maximum 2 electrons. And third electron enter into next orbit. So next orbit is L orbit or L shell. So third electron enter into L orbital. Clear? And next element, fourth element, beryllium. So beryllium atomic number 4. It has 4 electrons. So first electron, second electron enter into K orbit. Okay. But K orbit maximum 2 electrons. Now third electron enter into L shell. Okay. And fourth electron enter into L shell. Clear? So third electron and fourth electron. And boron atomic number 5. So it has 5 electrons. So first 2 electrons enter into K orbit and next 3 electrons, third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron enter into L shell. Okay. Third, fourth, fifth. Great. And next element, carbon atomic number 6. So how many electrons? 6 electrons. So in carbon atom, so first 2 electrons enter into K orbit. Okay. So third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron, sixth electron. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, number enter into L shell. Okay, number. And now So next element is nitrogen. So atomic number 7. Okay, in nitrogen there are 7 electrons. So first 2 electrons enter into K shell. Okay, third electron, fourth electron, fifth electron, sixth electron, seventh electron enter into L shell. Okay, so next element oxygen, atomic number 8. Again first 2 electrons enter into K orbit. Okay, next 6 electrons, third, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth electrons enter into L shell. So third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Okay, clear all of you? So it is called distribution of electrons in different orbits. Okay, but now I explain about what is the valency. What is the valency electrons? So okay, what are the valency electrons? And next one, what is the valency shell? What is the valency shell? So in atom, okay, the outermost shell, okay, the last cell is called simply outermost shell. It is called valency shell. So here hydrogen valency shell, K shell. Helium valency shell, K shell. But lithium valency shell, L shell. Okay, outermost shell. Beryllium, L shell. Okay, boron, L shell. So outermost shell means valency shell. Clear? Now what are valency electrons? Valency is different from valency electrons. So what are the valency electrons? For example, hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen last cell, how many electrons? 1 electron. In helium last cell, how many electrons? 2 electrons. So lithium last cell, how many electrons? 1 electron. Lithium total number of electrons 3, but outermost shell, valency shell has only 1 electron. Okay. So beryllium last cell, how many electrons? 2 electrons. So boron valence electrons, 3 electrons. Okay. So carbon valence electrons, 4 electrons. Okay. And nitrogen valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electrons. And oxygen valence electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. Clear all of you? So valency electrons means the electrons are present in the outermost orbit. Okay. Clear all of you students? Okay. All of you draw the diagram from first element to 18 element. That is argon. Okay. All of you complete this work. Okay. Okay, next element is fluorine. Fluorine atomic number 9. Okay, it has 9 electrons. So first 2 electrons enter into K orbital. So next remaining electrons 7 electrons. So 7 electrons enter into L shell. So third electron, fourth electron, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth electrons. Okay. Now next element is neon. Neon atomic number 10. So total number of electrons 10. Okay. So now first 2 electrons enter into K orbit. So K orbit maximum 2 electrons. Now remaining electrons enter into L orbit. So third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay. So now what is the maximum number of electrons in L shell? So 8 electrons. Clear all of you? Now next element sodium. Sodium atomic number 11. So number of electrons present in sodium is 11. Okay. So first 2 electrons enter into K orbit. Next 8 electrons enter into L orbit. So next 8 electrons. Okay. So now 11th electron enter into M shell. Because L shell, for L shell the maximum number of electrons 8. So now 11th electron enter into third orbit, that is M shell. Okay. Now next element is magnesium. So magnesium atomic number 12. Total number of electrons 12. So same phenomena. So first 2 electrons enter into K orbit. Okay. Next 8 electrons enter into L orbit. Okay. In magnesium has 12 electrons. So 11th electron and 12th electron enter into M shell. Okay, 11th and 12th. Clear all of you students? So today work, all of you draw the diagrams. Okay, all of you draw the diagrams from first element to 18 element, that is organ. Okay, all of you complete this work. Okay.